All right, the I can for today is I can generate and extend a number pattern that follows a given rule. So let's start with a simple concept first. We'll start with a pattern with circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Okay, you've probably noticed that the circle triangle keeps repeating. The circle triangle is the rule. It keeps repeating, makes it a pattern. The repetition of the rule creates a pattern. This is a shape pattern, right? The rule is circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. So now this has become a shape pattern because the rule keeps repeating. So let's look at some fourth grade material looking at number patterns. So let's say we have the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So I'm going to look at the difference between each number, and I can see that the difference is we're increasing by 2. So we're adding 2, adding 2, adding 2, adding 2. You can probably figure out that the rule is to add 2. That will get you to the next term. The rule keeps repeating, and therefore it becomes a pattern. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Let's look at another one. This time, let's generate. So generate just means to create. So let's say the rule is to add 3. Let's start at 0. Okay, if we start at 0 and the rule is to add 3, you can generate a number pattern. So each time you go to the next term, add 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So my rule is in red. It's plus 3 or add 3, and that will get me to the next term. The rule keeps repeating, so therefore it creates a pattern. Let's do extend. So let's say I don't know what the rule is. Then let's say I go 0, 5, 10. And you're given 3 blank spots, and you have to extend the pattern. So the first thing you need to figure out is, what is the rule? What is the difference, or what's happening between one term to the next? So I can see 0, 5, 5, 10. The difference between these is I'm adding 5. My rule is to add 5. So just keep on applying that rule. So 5 adding on to 10 is 15. And then I add another 5, and that'll make 20. And then I keep on applying that rule, add another 5, and that'll make 25. And so I have just extended this pattern because now I know the rule is to add 5.